guys, good morning. Hope your morning is good. And yeah, I we woke up at 6:30 and then I take a bath. And then right now I'm outside because Polo wants to go party and I'm drinking my coffee as well. So today guys is the day that our new fridge will be delivered, maybe this afternoon. Right now it's only 8 a.m. So yeah, waiting. Oh, by the way guys, yesterday I did clean the front yard because there's a lot of weeds. So I did remove the weeds and spray it with weed killer. So I have video for that. I will insert it here. Hi guys, good morning. So today guys, I'm going to remove all the weeds here because it's too long, and then the short ones I just want to spray it with weed killer. So actually I did clean here already and I put all the weeds there. So I'm gonna clean this area guys, and I did put Polo here so he would be with me. And yeah, I want to remove the weeds until there, and I'm going to sweep this here because there's a lot of leaves in the driveway and here as well. So yeah, I'm going to clean and see you later. So guys, I did finish sweeping the driveway. So as you can see, there's no more leaves in the driveway and here as well. And now I'm going to start pulling out the weeds. And then the short one, the small one, I can use this weeds and grass killer. So I'm going to spray some of it, but most of them is I want to pull it out because it's long. This one's so that area. So I did spray from there to here, and then I'm out of weed killer. And then guys, I started removing the weeds this area, as you can see. And so guys, halfway there. So I'm going to stop a little bit because it's too hot, and I'll continue later. I'm done removing all the weeds in this area, and see, it's now clean. And from here to there. I'm done. It's clean on that side and that area as well. So right now I'm just waiting with Polo to do his job, to do his thing. Polo, go pee na. Go pee. Pee na. So we can go inside. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys the ano. I'm gonna show you the tomato. It's getting bigger, and then my string beans has flour in it. So guys, here's the tomato. Yeah, that's the tomato. It's Roma tomato, so it's getting bigger. And then there's a new one, if you can see. Yeah, exciting. And there's flower. So this is the flower. Hope that will bear fruits. Ah, there's a new here as well. Wala. See? Oh. And this the cherry tomato. And this is the bell pepper. There's already a paper in it, if you can see. And this one. See? One. And here's the flower of string beans. Oh guys, by the way, yesterday the Plateau company came to bury the line. So as you remember, there's a black line here, wire. So that's for our fiber line. So they buried it, guys. Here. They buried yesterday. They came afternoon. Here and here. And until the pins there. It's until there. So guys, I'm done drinking my coffee, and then I take Polo outside. So guys, yesterday I didn't finish cleaning the front yard. So as you can see, there's still a lot of weeds in this area. And then yeah, I did started it here. So yeah. So as you can see, I did started it. Hi guys, so after I drank my coffee, I did go to the front yard to pull the weeds, and I did halfway. So right now I was editing, and then my husband called that the fridge is on the way. So he says that they will arrive 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm excited. So the fridge and the microwave is on the way. So we did put the old fridge this morning. Wait, let me show you. Other fridge here for now, because my husband has work today. So we don't have enough time to put this fridge in the garage. So maybe this weekend. So yeah, so the new fridge will be here. So I'm excited. And then the microwave will be there. And then we're gonna call the electrician to hook the microwave, and we're going to put the pendant light as well here. So guys, see you later when they're here. So guys, I wanna show you the front yard, what I did. So look guys, I did finish that area from there, you know, and then here, and then I'm scared to clean that area because there's the bush is big, and I'm scared if I can see a snake or whatever, but luckily nothing. Guys, the fridge and the microwave is here. So excited. Ah, we're here. And that's the fridge. That's the new fridge.
Am I kind of set it? They're right there by my door.
How did you get out? Huh? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So guys, here's the new fridge. Oh, that's beautiful. You know what? Our appliances is all Samsung. So this is Samsung, the fridge is Samsung, dishwasher Samsung, electric range Samsung, washer and dryer Samsung, TV Samsung. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's beautiful. So guys, I'm going to dispense 2 gallons of water. So I already removed 500 ml. So we still need to dispense 7,000 ml. And so guys, I'm going to remove the plastic and the foam inside the fridge. So it will cold faster. So I'm going to clean it, guys. You want to stay with me? So let's get started. So it says that the estimated yearly energy cost of this fridge is $83. Okay. And it's doing noises when you open the fridge really low. So guys, I'm going to remove the stuff in the freezer as well. And here. Oh wow. As you can hear that. Satisfaction. I can get one. So guys, it's almost 5 p.m. and my husband is coming home from work, so I'm going to make dinner right now. So I'm going to close this vlog. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoy. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be updated if I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.